Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In this video we will learn how to create a data frame in R. Before starting this video I want to let you know that the codes used in this video can be downloaded from the link provided in the description. Okay, so let's start. First we will create four objects. The first object is a character vector which contains the names of animals. The second object is a numeric vector which contains the numbers of animals stored as animal underscore n. The third object is the names of the fruits and the fourth object is the number of fruits. We will select the lines from 4 to 10 and run the code to create these objects. To confirm the values stored in these objects, we will simply print the results by typing the names of these objects. Now we will create a data frame from these objects using data.frame function. We will store this data as data1. So we type data.frame and then type each object in a sequence. Run this code. To print the results, we will type data1. So here you can see a data frame is created. You can type view data1 to view it. So this is our data. You can also check the structure of data using str function. Here you can see animals are stored as character and numbers are stored as numeric values. Now we will see how to add a new column to a data. To add or select a column from data frame, $sign is used. So let's add a new column to data1 with 4 vegetable names. Now you can print data1 to confirm these results. So a new column vegetable is added to data1. To remove all the objects and data frame at once, use this code. Similarly, you can also clear console using Ctrl and L command from the keyboard. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and subscribe to this channel.